How to fix the yellow or orange screen tint on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now there are several different reasons that may cause your screen to go yellow. So let's take a look at the first fix. First, we can try to turn off the eye comfort shield. So swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, we tap on display, then tap on eye comfort shield. Tap on the toggle button and turn it off. See if that fixes the yellow or orange screen issue. Now if you would like to keep eye comfort shield turned on, you can tap on the left panel. In here you can choose adaptive, so your phone will automatically turn on eye comfort shield during nighttime, and during the day it will turn to a more cooler color. You can also set custom, so you can manually change the color temperature. So dragging on the color temperature slider bar here to readjust the color to your preference. You can also set a schedule so that it only turns the screen to a yellow tint during a particular time period. Okay, so that is the first fix. Fix number 2 is to check color filters. Swipe down at the top and we go into settings. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then we go down here and tap on vision enhancements. And from here we want to check the color filter and make sure color filter is switched off. If it is turned on, then we have to be careful with the settings down here, because by setting a higher opacity that can cause the screen to go very yellow. And down here are different colors filter that you could choose to apply to your screen. So here the two particular color is yellow and orange, which may cause your screen to go yellow or orange. So best of all is to turn off color filter. While we are in vision enhancement, so from accessibility, then vision enhancements, another thing that you want to turn off is color correction. When color correction is turned on, your phone will automatically correct the colors on the screen. So here, go down here and see if there is anything turned on. You may want to switch it off. So here you can see if I choose blue or yellow, and if I readjust the intensity color here, you can see on the preview window at the top, the color changes as I change the intensity of the color. So turn off color corrections so that we have the original screen color display on your device. If you have tried everything and it still does not work, we can go for the fallback by resetting all settings on your device. This does not reset your data, it simply only reset the settings on your phone. So we go into settings and then we scroll down and tap on general management. From here we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on reset, and then we simply just tap on the reset all settings and then tap on the reset settings, and it will reset the settings on your device. Give that a go and see how you go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.